Welcome to Pandan Island. To all first-timers in the house, you are our VIP. To our web viewers here in the Philippines and abroad, welcome to Puerto Princesa, the city of the living God. And welcome to Life Church, the home of champions. Isla Pandan Resort is one of the most beautiful places in Honda Bay. It is situated east of the mainland of Puerto Princesa. The resort offers various activities such as snorkeling, fish feeding, kayak, scuba diving, and many more. Last Sunday, we learned a lot of lessons mula sa buhay ni Belshazzar and Daniel. And to know more about what happened last week, check this out.
The next story is about Daniel and Belshazzar and the writing on the wall. Mini tekel parsin. Nabibilang na ang araw ng iyong paghahari sapagkat mawakasan na ito ng Diyos. Dito maliwanag na maliwanag yung larawan na pinakikita ng Lord na hindi mo hawak ang buhay mo. Ano yung mga nakasulat dyan na hindi mo natanggal dahil nagawa mo na in the past? And yet God is saying, anak, I am going to write a new wall. Anak, it's not a writing of judgment. Anak, it's not a writing of condemnation. Anak, I don't want to write that you will die and go to hell. Dahil sabi ng God of the Bible, in the person of Jesus Christ, sabi niya, for God so loved the world.
School of Leaders is part of our discipleship training kung saan tayong mga disciples ay sinasanay upang maging matatag, hasa, at buong loob bilang isang disipulo. Kaya congratulations sa lahat ng School of Leaders 2 students Batch 4 na nagsipagtapos last September 25. "101 students from School of Leaders 2 Batch 4 graduated last September 25 held at Life Church Main Hall. In line with their goal to make every believer a leader of 12 leaders, Pastor Lou challenged the graduates to put into practice everything they've learned from the 10 months training to fulfill the vision that God has given our church, and that is to win souls and make disciples. Last September 27 to 28, Encounter Retreat was conducted at Life Church together with our network churches. Let's hear some powerful stories about the impact of Encounter in their lives.
Isa po akong rejected child, po yung batang hindi po napapansin. Umattend po ako sa Encounter. Sobrang asarap po sa pakiramdam na lahat ng hindi po magandang experience ko simula nung bata pa ako, lahat inalis yun ng Lord.
As disciples, prayer should be our lifestyle. Kaya naman patuloy namin kayong ini-encourage to join us at our morning prayer power every Saturday, 5:30 a.m. here at Life Church.
Merong mga bagay na itinuturo na ina-accomplish kapag tayo ay dumadaan sa pagsubok. Una, tumatatag, tumitibay ang ating pananampalataya.
Sa matapat na pagpunta dito sa Morning Watch. Ngayon po, yung asawa ko nasa Solwa na, yung dalawa kong anak nasa Solwa na rin, praise God. Ganon din yung aming opisina, pinagpapala na dahil sa life group na ginagawa namin doon. Salamat sa Panginoon.
God is more interested in changing our character than changing our circumstance.
Yung pong paghihintay ko ng 10 taon sa aking request sa Kanya na pinapanalangin ay finally po natanggap ko na nung September 2. May babalik na po sa amin yung lupa na aking pong pinapanalangin na may balik sa amin.
When I mentioned blessing, hindi lamang po ito patungkol sa pera.
15 years kong pinagpipray ang aking husband na makasama sa paglilingkod sa Diyos. Ngayon po ay sumasama na siya sa akin sa church. Siya po ay nasa pre-encounter na ngayon.
For about 2 months po, lagi kong pinagpipray ang aking ate na sana'y makuha niya ang kanyang permanent green card sa United States. Finally po, 2 weeks na lang ang hinihintay at makukuha niya na ito. Dito ko po mas napagtibay ang aking paniniwala that when you are righteous, faithful, and obedient to Him, you will really eat the best of the land, flowing with milk and honey.
Panghawakan po natin yun, anuman ang ating dinadaanan, at umasam-asam tayo na mararanasan natin ang pangako ng Diyos. If we are willing and obedient, we will eat the best of the land.
At yan ang ating mga updates for this week. I'm Chester and this is Life News.